Hello everyone, welcome to my first task as an intern in the Sparks Foundation. Well, the topic of my first task is prediction using supervised machine learning. So let us first see the theoretical part about supervised machine learning. What is supervised machine learning? Well, the answer to this is very simple. That is, supervised learning is a learning technique that can only be used on a labeled dataset to train the algorithm so that we can predict an unknown observation for the domain. Supervised machine learning is divided into two classes, that is, classification and regression, where classification technique is used for categorical data and regression is used for numerical data. Now let's get to the topic. So the aim of the task is to predict the percentage of students based on the number of studying hours. We are using simple linear regression for our prediction here. Now let's dig into the coding part. So we have prediction using simple linear regression. Regression is the study of dependence between the two variables. That means it will try to tell you how an outcome or an independent variable will affect the dependent variable. It tries to find out the relationship between a response that is dependent variable y and a predictor variable x. Here we are using simple linear regression when we are only concerned with the single independent variable affecting a dependent variable. In this task we are predicting the percentage of marks that the student scores based on the number of studying hours. So we have already been provided the data from the Sparks Foundation. So we need to import the imported libraries which are NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. Now loading the data set, I imported NumPy and Pandas, and for plotting I imported Matplotlib. So next I am passing the provided link to the read_csv, which is giving back a data frame which is stored in my data. Okay. Next I have run data.head and given columns, 12 columns here you can see. So you can the output you can see hours versus score, giving us the 12 columns 0 to 11. Next we are plotting a scatter plot diagram to visualize it. So x being the independent variable and y the dependent variable. So scores depends on hours of studies. So we can see the scatter plot diagram clearly showing that there is a perfect positive correlation between the hours studied and the percentage of scores. You can see through the scatter plot that how one unit change in x, that is independent variable, impacts how much change in y variable, that is scores. So here we can see how hours of studies impacts the scores. Next we are dividing the data set into the indicator and the predictor variables. Also we are using this ilog to reshape the model. Next the pair of arrays, that is data_train and target_train, will be used for learning the supervised model, whereas the data_test and target_test for model testing. So let's load the train_test_split library from the scikit-learn for holdout environment. We are giving the test size 0.3 and random_state equals to 0. Importing required library from the sklearn to train the model. So we are importing a linear regression from the sklearn.linear_model. Now we have to fit a line to the observation. So let's draw a line closely fitting the data points. So let's see. You can see the data points and the line fitting the data points. Next we are testing the trained model on the test set. Let's now test the model. So to test the model we have been provided a question, that is time to test our model for testing hours provided, that is, if the student studies for 9.25 hours per day, what will be the predicted score? So let's see. So here you can see that we are providing 9.25 hours and we are running the codes. The prediction score is 92.91. So from the above testing of model, if the student studies for 9.25 hours per day, then the student may score 92.91. Thank you.